I'm involved in a project that I'm really excited now, which involves improving the quality of citizen science or participatory scholarship data. It's a collaboration with the Cornell Laboratory of Ornithology and people at the Computer Science Department at Oregon State University. So the idea is as follows. eBird has been collecting observers' recordings of bird sightings for about 10 years now. It's a huge database that has about 70 million records and has really been used for great biodiversity studies and other environmental studies in the United States. So the problem with citizen science data, as you might imagine, is that it varies from bad observations or excellent observations by expert birders. And at the moment, we control that through human vetting, which is unscalable. So the idea of the project is to be able to use machine learning in a loop with human learning, and to each of them enrich their ability to help each other be better birders and better trackers of good and bad observations. So you can think of this as what we call a human-computer learning loop. And it really solves this problem of making citizen science data valuable and helps us improve the quality of our data overall. Well, the eBird database has been used for some really fabulous things. One of the things it's been used for a lot of biodiversity studies. One of them is to be able to understand how public land ownership in the United States by the various agencies affects bird species migrations. For example, the Bureau of Land Management might be responsible at a certain time of year for a swath of land that a certain species is completely dependent upon. We can basically affect the survivability of a species by seeing this and influencing the policy structure of that agency. Now, that's good for the birds. You could argue that the birds are good for people because this is a broad environmental issue. Birds are a great example of the kind of things that we need to watch out for as the climate changes.